Welcome back to TechVerse. We've got some thrilling news for all the tech enthusiasts out there. Google's Pixel 9a is making waves with its rumored pre-order dates and pricing details. From the US to Europe, here's everything you need to know about the latest leaks on the highly anticipated Pixel 9a. Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're diving into some hot-off-the-press rumors about Google's Pixel 9a. This highly anticipated smartphone is expected to be up for pre-order in the US starting March 19th, with shipping commencing on March 26th. But that's not all, we've got all the juicy details for our European viewers too. Let's start with the basics. According to recent leaks, the Pixel 9a will keep the same $499 starting price as its predecessor. However, if you need more storage, the 256GB model will set you back $599, which is $40 more than the Pixel 8a's 256GB version. But what about our friends across the pond? We've got you covered. In Europe, pre-orders will also begin on March 19th, with the device hitting the shelves on March 26th. The Pixel 9a will be priced at €499/€549 for the 128GB model and €599/€649 for the 256GB variant. That's right, the price is going up for the higher storage option in Europe too. Now, let's talk color options. The 128GB model will be available in 4 stunning colorways: Obsidian, Porcelain, Iris, and Peony. Meanwhile, the 256GB iteration will come in just 2 colors, Obsidian and Iris. It looks like Google is banking on the fact that 128GB isn't quite enough storage for many of us these days. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is expected to be a powerhouse. It's rumored to be powered by the Tensor G4 SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM. This should make for a smooth and responsive user experience. And for those who are always on the go, you'll be pleased to hear that the Pixel 9a is expected to come with a 5100 mAh battery, the largest ever seen in a Pixel device. That means you can expect longer battery life, even with heavy usage. But wait, there's more. The camera is also getting a significant upgrade. The Pixel 9a is rumored to feature a 48MP main camera sensor, which should deliver stunning photos with incredible detail and clarity. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love capturing memories with friends and family, this camera is sure to impress. In summary, the Pixel 9a is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Google's smartphone lineup. With its impressive specs, upgraded camera, and competitive pricing, it's definitely a device to keep an eye on. Stay tuned to TechVerse for more updates and in-depth reviews once the Pixel 9a officially launches. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for all the latest tech news and reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on TechVerse.